In this video, I'm going to show you how to add symbols on MT4 PC. Now to do this, you want to open MetaTrader 4, then you want to go to the top left, click on View, and click on Symbols. You can also press Ctrl+U on your keyboard, and this is going to get pulled up. Now in here, there's going to be your symbol list of all the symbols you can add. Of course, depending on the broker you're using, there's going to be different symbols. For me, I'm using the MetaTrader 4 demo account, so the Forex and ForexWT are the only two I have, and these are folders you can extend, and in there you can find a bunch of different symbols. Again, if you're using a different broker, this may look different. I'm going to show you another example in a second, but essentially if you want to add something, a symbol, you can just click on it and click on show, and it's going to show it over here inside Market Watch. Now if you can't see the Market Watch, click on this icon up top or press Ctrl+M. Let me show you how it looks if you have like a different broker. I'm going to sign into my Ava demo account. There we go, and you'll see that if I go to over here, let me actually go to View, Symbols, you'll see that now there's a bunch of different ones because I'm using a different broker. So it's going to heavily depend on the broker you're using, but that's essentially how to do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.